In this SOLIDWORKS tutorial video, we will see how to perform the simulations in SOLIDWORKS. So let's begin. First, select File, click on New, select Part, and then click OK. Select Top Plane, click on Sketch, select the center rectangle, and make a center rectangle at this origin. Now select Smart Dimension and set the length of this side of the rectangle as 200 mm and this one 75 mm. And now let's make another center rectangle at the same origin, and now let's define the length of this side as 150 and the other side as 50. Now make the inner rectangle as construction geometry. Select this line and make it as construction geometry. Select this line, construction geometry. Press the control button, select this line, and make them as construction geometry. Click OK. You can see these solid lines are changed into dotted lines. Now select the circle and make a circle at this corner. Now let's specify the diameter of this circle. Select Smart Dimension and set this to 13 mm. Now make a vertical and a horizontal center line. I am making this to mirror this circle at each of 4 corners. So after making these dotted lines, now select this mirror entities. In this entities to mirror window, select this circle, and in mirror about window, select this vertical line, and you can see the circle has been mirrored. Similarly, select the mirror entities again, and in entities to mirror window, select this circle and this circle, and in mirror about window, select this horizontal line, and you can see the entities have been mirrored. And now go to features, select extruded boss base and extrude it up to 12 millimeter. Specify here 12, click enter and check this option. Now let's specify some color. Make sure you only specify some color and not the material. Now go to adds in. Make sure that you have checked these boxes for SolidWorks simulation, this one and this one, and then click OK. Now go to simulations, drop down this menu and select this new study. Simply click OK here, and now click on apply material. You can specify any material here. I am specifying this one. Click on apply and you can see the color of this image has been changed because we have applied the material. Now select this fixed geometry and fix the back side of this part, this one. You can fix any part, but I am fixing this back part. Click OK. And now apply some force. Click on force here. And in this window, we have to select some face. I am selecting this edge, this one. Now let's assign the direction of the force. For that, select this selected direction and in this window select this vertical line, and the force is now in the downward direction. Specify the units. SI is okay for me, and apply the force in newtons. I'm applying 1000 Newton, and then check this option. Now we are only left with mesh, so select, right click on this mesh and create mesh. In mesh parameters select this standard mesh and specify here the dimension. I am specifying here 2.5 and then click enter. So mesh is being applied. It will take some time, and here you can see the mesh has been applied. And now simply click on this run option, run the study. It will take some time. And here we have the deformation. You can see these red areas indicates the maximum stress, and in these points there is the maximum number of stress. And in this table we have to specify Newton per millimeter square because our dimensions are in millimeter. So specify here Newton per millimeter square and then click OK. In this bar you can see the blue, green and red areas. The red areas indicates the maximum stress. So right click on this stress and click on animate, and here you can see the application of stress in this part. You can slow down this animation speed, and here you can see the stress is slowly applying on this part. So if you find this tutorial helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.